Hi, I'm here to tell you all about the Big Six, and this is my Big Six lesson introduction. My name is Yvette Pernetta, and I am a pre-K teacher. I've been teaching for more than 10 years, and I am currently in San Antonio. So I do work for a district in San Antonio, and I am hoping to become a librarian. The purpose of the lesson is to identify the Big Six and correctly apply the Big Six in research. That means we'll be using the steps in the Big Six to find out our information, to guide our questions, and to also answer any information problems we might have. The standards. Well, in Texas, we are using the TEKS, and here is my TEK. It is inquiry and research. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, and thinking about multiple texts. The student engages in short-term and sustained inquiry processes for a variety of purposes. So that means we will be using inquiry for a variety of purposes, for many things, such as we will be clarifying questions, identifying information, checking credibility of sources, demonstrating that we understood. We will be taking our own notes. That means we will not be copying or pasting. We will be writing the information in our own words. And then we will present. The Common Core standard I chose was to conduct short research projects that use several sources to build knowledge through investigation of different aspects of a topic. So we will be choosing a topic and we will be further researching that topic, investigating, seeing what we find out about it. For the ISTE standard, I chose 3C. It says students curate information from digital resources using a variety of tools and methods to create collections of artifacts that demonstrate meaningful connections or conclusions. The word curate means we will gather and collect our information. So we will choose our information carefully, making sure that it is credible. We will use a variety of tools, whether it be the internet, books, articles, interviews, and we will collect our artifacts to show what we have learned and to show our information. The next standard is the AASL standard, and the one I chose was that learners will develop and satisfy personal curiosity by engaging in inquiry-based processes for personal growth. So the Big Six is an inquiry-based process, and so we will be learning about inquiry and the Big Six steps. What is the Big Six? The Big Six is a way of researching an inquiry to solve an informational problem we may have using 6 steps. The steps are task definition, information seeking strategies, location and access, use of information, synthesis, and evaluation. We will also have a pre-assessment. I will have a pre-assessment for you to take, and the pre-assessment will help me learn about the Big Six, which you already know, and what I need to teach you. And in conclusion, the Big Six is a 6-steps model for research and inquiry used for informational problem solving.